Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. This right here is not exactly a food review. It's more of a, I guess you could say what's inside the box. General Mills is doing this thing where they got like, basically they're putting toys back in the boxes. You have to collect all six. You got the chance to collect all six. They say series 1, so I'm assuming they're gonna make another series of these. And specifically, what you're looking for is this specific boxes that look like this. Like they gotta have one of those figures on it, one of those cereal characters. And if it says free toy inside, I'm pretty sure it's a free toy inside. So I got 2 boxes of Honey Nut Cheerios. It's basically the only cereal I can find with this with the characters on it like this. So we're gonna see what's in the box. We're gonna see what's in these boxes, and we're gonna see what character we got. So I'll open up the first box. And who do we have here? We got Lucky the Leprechaun. So we got Lucky the Leprechaun from Lucky Charms cereal. Y'all can see right there. That's the first one. We got Lucky the Leprechaun in the first one. Now let's open up this box and see who's in here. Oh, right on top too. Right on top. As soon as I open up the box. Oh, okay. We got who is this guy? Chip the Wolf. We got Chip the Wolf right here. So I do got 2 different ones. I got Lucky the Leprechaun and Chip the Wolf. We got Lucky the Leprechaun and Chip the Wolf. So we got 2. We got 2 out of 6. So the next one I gotta get is the Sin Emoji, Sunny, Tricks, Bud and Buzz. So yeah. And that's how it is. Basically, it's not the character on the box. You're just gonna get random. They're gonna be random, but you're gonna definitely get some. So these are the 2 that I got right here. I'm gonna try to get my hands on all of them. I'm gonna try to collect all 6. They got some older ones at the bottom, as you can see, but what's the chance of you getting those? This is probably a rare chance, if ever. I don't really think they even package those in the boxes, but yeah, these are 2 that I got right here. I'm not gonna take them out the bag, so y'all can basically see them. I'm gonna leave them in the bag for a while. I might do an unbagging them just so you can see them in full detail. But for now, these are the first 2 I got, and I'm gonna try to get my hands on all of them if I can. So yeah, look for these videos. I'm probably gonna do some more of these videos soon. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with y'all with these little collectible toys that's in the box. I think it's kind of cool. They got a wave 1, so a wave 2 probably gonna be coming soon. So I guess try to get my hands on all 6 of them, but so far so good. So that's why I end up with. So yeah. Anyway, that was another video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching the next time, guys. Peace.